Hall, Safe Harbor, Emerald Coast, Niceville, Florida. Real quick, want to give you an outside look. This is a beautiful 2017 Hurricane 2690. It's been kept here in our high and dry marina since its purchased. It only has 214 hours and this thing is in beautiful shape for its age. Right away, got that powerhouse F300 4-stroke, massive swim platform. This is the belle of the ball for the Hurricanes. Powered with that 300. You'll feel like you're on rails. It is yacht certified. Like I said in my other video, you'll run out of space for life vests before you run out of space for people to sit and come have fun on the boat. This is for a 2017. This is in immaculate shape. Vinyl is all intact. This is a great looking boat. Do not miss out. $26.90. That top is just massive. Bottom's in great shape too. Stereo remote. You can change the tunes right there from the back of the boat. Stainless prop, everything's in great shape. Like I said, guys, don't miss the boat. Give me a shout. Call Daniel. Call the marina. Ask for Daniel. Let's get you on the water today.